Bernadette, why is this bed in the hallway?
I don't know. I just got here. Just see me walking.
Bernadette, this IV here says it's broken. Do you know why it's broken?
I just walked in. How the fuck would I know?
That I'm missing a thermometer from 25. Do you know where it is?
Why would I know where it is? I just got here.
Bernadette, do you know what time 26 got admitted last night?
Now, how would I know what time? I wasn't here last night.
You said 26? She came around like 8 or 9.
There you go. Ask somebody that knows that was here last night.
Hey, Bernadette, I got one more question for you.
It's too early for this shit. These people better leave me the hell alone. What?